Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Pepe update on this beautiful Saturday. Hope you're doing great, or hope you're having a great weekend so far. For some of you, it hasn't even started yet, probably. But all right. On to Pepe. So we'll do a full update. We'll talk about what happened yesterday, which is not too much. I mean, yesterday what we talked about in the video is that we hit a significant support level right here around 15,000. So I did expect some bullish momentum from that, which we also got. It's not that much right now, but what you're seeing, just the general phenomenon around Pepe, is that the volume is actually dropping down pretty low. And just in general, we'll go over the full like fundamental view of Pepe right now. But it's not looking great. And I'm not trying to be very bearish on Pepe. But like over the last couple of days, we actually did receive quite a lot of bearish breakouts. And now for the first time in a very long time, we're actually like the EMAs are shifting as well, where the 50 EMA and the 28 EMA have now turned into resistance levels, or at least they're no longer support, to say the least. And we hit the 100 EMA, but we barely really found any support there. So that's not a great sign either. But we'll dive into depth about that in this video. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, I'm a full-time trader, profitable, then check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comments. And there you will find instructions on how to join. All right, now onto Pepe. So first of all, the market structure right now is still fine. We're still consolidating in this area. 16,600 and 15,000 as our support. This is still the situation as of now, but then we have to think, all right, what is more likely, a bullish breakout or a bearish breakout? And then you start summing up things, like for example, Pepe 2.0, that hype was good for Pepe as well. Has now dropped down quite a bit. I mean, if this gets listed on Binance, that's great, but betting on that is quite risky. So we have to assume that momentum there is dropping at the very least. And then we take a look at Pepe. Volume has dropped down 45%. It's the weekend. Volume is going to drop down even more. And then what I said about the weekend, Pepe usually is quite bullish on that Thursday, Friday before the weekend. But yesterday, because of the weakness of Bitcoin, we were not able to really get enough bullish momentum. So that also, like usually on Sunday, Pepe actually falls down a bit. And just in general, like I said, this is the first time around that we have actually confirmed that we are consolidating with those EMAs. So I would say that if we're summing up all those things, I'm not trying to be super fuddy about it, but I would say it's more likely that we will actually get some sort of a bearish breakout. And the moment we drop down below 15,000, then all of a sudden you're on your way all the way down to this level here at 12,500. I would say, given all of the circumstances, this is the most likely scenario. This is not what I would want to happen. What I would want is that 15,000 actually holds up, that we get bullish momentum from Bitcoin, and that will break above 16,500 and go up to 20,000. Is that possible? Yes, it's just not the most likely scenario. Like I said, I mean, something like this is possible if Bitcoin right now actually breaks above 31,400. Then there's enough bullish momentum, I would say, for Pepe to do something like this. At this point of time, though, this just remains a hope and not really something realistic. Something more realistic is that we'll consolidate for a couple of more days and then do something like this. But I'll keep you updated on that. I'll monitor the charts, obviously, but this is my take on Pepe for now. So I want to wish you all a great weekend. Take care and bye.